Hello everyone, my name is Rebecca. Thanks for stumbling onto this channel. Fun video today. I'm just going to show you what I'm going to pack in my Chanel bag. The last 2 weeks we've been traveling. I've used one bag the whole time. This one that I got from Walmart. It's got stars and I guess that would be orange slices. So it's a pretend Louis Vuitton. And anyway, I used this one and the little bum bag that I have that's from Coach while we were gone. So now that I'm home, it's time to switch out bags, which I normally do every Sunday anyway. On this channel, you haven't seen a video in a while because I haven't been home. But usually on Sundays, I do a switch out handbag video, and I show at least one of those per month to show you what I'm switching into. I don't want to get you bored and watching what's bag I'm switching into just every Sunday. So today is what am I packing in my Chanel bag, and the Chanel bag that I'm using will be this vintage 1996. It's called an XL Jumbo. These do come in an XL Maxi. This is the jumbo size. I've done a few videos on here on YouTube for this bag. I think about it when I'm editing this video. If I can find those real quick, I'll link them down below. So this is black lambskin, very soft butter lambskin. Because it's from the 90s, it does have the 24 karat gold hardware. This bag is extremely heavy. The chain is pretty massive. It's big. It has the pocket on the back, which has burgundy down in there on this part. And this bag, I usually will tie this chain with a ribbon so that the chain is a lot shorter, so I can use it like as a top handle bag and walk around with it this way. But not today. I've done videos on different ways of wearing the chain on a Chanel bag, so those are on this channel. I got it packed with bubble wrap. Okay. I take out the authenticity card, any identification cards, anything that's in the bags. I'll pull those out when I'm using it. So this has burgundy in it. And I used a makeshift bottom. And you know what? I wish I would have looked that up. There was a lady that looked at my video when I first got this bag, and it came crunch in the box. Now I can send this to leather surgeons, and they can actually fix the, I don't know what you call it, the cardboard or whatever the piece is that's on here that they put the leather on. Anyway, it was pretty creased and bent up, but it's from 96, so it's not going to be perfect. But I can't remember the lady's name now. She's the one that told me just to do a DIY, a do-it-yourself bag insert on the bottom. And I did with just some cardboard. And I'm telling you, this thing is perfect. I made sure that it wasn't too big so it wasn't pushing up against the leather. But this thing's working great. So if you're watching this video and that was you, thank you. Because I've yet to send that to leather surgeons to go have anything done to it. I like that it's worn and stuff like that because it's from 1996, so it's very old. All right, so let's figure out what I'm going to take. Well, let me dump this one out first. this one is just full of crap. I mean, I even have cash just thrown in here. I don't have anything on the back. Just a bunch of receipts. This Walmart bag, I think, is still available online with Walmart. I don't remember what it was called. It was very inexpensive. It's got felt lining, so it's very soft inside. There's no labels, there's no nothing, and it just has a patch. Leather patch right there that I think the originals might have the logo in your bag. I don't have one of these, so I don't know what the real one looks like. This is great for a top handle. I use that back pocket all the time. And this crossbody strap, I made it as big as possible and had it across my body while we were out running around on this 2-week trip. So this was very convenient. And because it was so inexpensive, and if somebody was to steal my bag, I wouldn't care. So this was a good travel bag. I think I've done a video on all of the bags that I have over there on the side that are no brand names that I use. I may have already done a video on that. Okay, back to this video. What am I packing in this Series 4 1996 black lambskin, gold hardware, 24 karat gold. It's a jumbo size. This is another jumbo. This is a single flap that I got. And this is from 2010, last year that they ever did a single flap. And of course, this one being from the 90s, it's a single flap. And I like the single flaps. That's actually my preference. I have 2 single flaps, and I have these 2 doubles. Well, no, this one is a reissue. It's a double flap. So I have 3. Okay, this week I have only one place to go, and then this weekend we have company coming to our house here, so I know I'm going to be home. You know, do I want a big wallet for this? No, I'm going to still use this small one. This is just a flip wallet, you know, just, there's nowhere room to put your cash, so I just fold it. And it carries all my coffee cards. I have 2 clays, and one has all my appointment cards, dentist, next time I go to the dermatologist, etc., where we take our dog to the vet. And this one has nothing except just the chain that's down inside there. And I am not taking these with me for this week, so those are not going. The keys, I need a car key, and I'm just taking one. Change, all the coins. This is from like the 70s, I think, when you had these thick rubber for your coin. I love this thing. Oh, I got some checks that I need to go cash. Oh, I got a gift card that my niece gave me. I got more money. Receipts, and one receipt I need and one I do not need. Okay, this is a glasses case that I got from like AliExpress, Temu, something that was like $1.50, But I carry so many things inside here besides just my reading glasses. It is a great pouch. I have my lip gloss. I have a thin mirror. Sometimes my fingernail clippers or my dental floss, which is in the other room. I need to put that in my bag. My dental floss goes in here because I always have dental floss on me. And so we're going to take that. I need my key. I think I'll put that back here in the zipper part. Coins and my wallet. And that's all I'm going to take this week. I mean, that's only 4 items in this big old bag. That's all I need, though. And I do want to use this bag because I haven't used this for a while. And I try to rotate all of my handbags so that they're being used. And then that way I can always make sure that if something's going on with them, I can see it and take care of items that may need a little bit of tender loving care or a cleaning. So that's it. Well, this is going to be a little short video. Thanks for watching. This is the bag I'm using for this week. So thanks for watching. What am I packing in my Chanel? You guys have a great week. Hit that subscribe button, please. I think it's on this side of your screen. It'd be fantastic. It's absolutely free. And what in the world can you get for free now? Free advice? Sometimes you don't want that. This YouTube channel is free for me to post videos, and it's free for you to watch videos. Hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.